Hello. Hello friends! So today we are finally going to be doing my closet clean out. So this is going to be a bit of a different kind of closet clean out video. As you can see here, this is my fall and winter wardrobe. We are now in the middle of April. It's finally feeling like spring. The cherry blossoms actually bloomed here in Japan, if you saw my last vlog. And when the cherry blossoms bloom, that is the marker here in Japan that spring has finally arrived. So yeah, it's getting a little toasty, a little warmer. So I think it's about time that I switch out my fall winter wardrobe for my spring summer wardrobe. So as I switch out my closet, I thought I'd go through and clean it out and get rid of some pieces that I no longer wear anymore. So yes, we're going to be doing a little cleaning out during this process. This is our traditional Japanese closet. As you can see, we have the traditional sliding doors. Nice. So this is my partner's side of the closet. It's a little messy. We're not gonna go into that. We're just gonna focus on my side. So let me give you a little breakdown of my closet. So up top over here is where I have all my hanging clothes. Currently there's not that much organization. It kind of just goes from skirts to sweaters, cardigans, blouses, casual t-shirts. Down here I have my bras and underwear, but y'all can't see that. I will not get into that unless I do start an OnlyFans. And as you can see, there is this divider because in traditional Japanese closets, you're actually meant to store your futon and your bedding in here. You store the bedding in the closet during the daytime and then you bring it out at night before you go to bed. It's a little inconvenient having this divider because I can't hang any like longer clothes. Down below I have these plastic drawers which I got from Amazon and it was a whopping 3,000 yen just for this. Like why? Anyway, I have pants and bottoms, pajamas, and this drawer is a mess. This is like workout and t-shirts kind of, so I really need to organize this bottom drawer. And in these plastic containers I just have like tights, socks, and masks. I'm so excited to finally clear out my fall and winter clothes. Like I'm tired of feeling cold all the time. Like this winter felt so heckin' long and I'm just so over wearing 4 different layers and still failing to feel any sense of warmth. I'm actually getting kind of hot just wearing this cardigan, so I might change out into something else before we get started. Okay, feeling a lot breezier, so now I think we could get into this. I also think I'm gonna put my hair up because we are meaning business. So I'm first gonna go into my hanging clothes and just pick out any sweaters and stuff that are gonna be way too warm to wear in the spring and summertime. I think I'll keep at least one lighter sweater and I'll keep my cardigans because they're still useful for the springtime when I need like a light jacket. Oh, I love this zebra shirt. I think I'm gonna keep that. I think I could just like squeeze a couple more uses out of that for the springtime. Keep in mind that a lot of these clothes I'm gonna have to go through again right before summertime because like for example this blouse I definitely can still wear for spring, but for summer, she's gotta go. One of my favorite blouses that I thrifted, like look at the color! I think I'll keep this. But like these more kind of fancy like evening blouses, like going out blouses, I never ended up wearing because of the freaking panoramic. Yeah, I think these will have to go as well. So sad, I have a blouse addiction for real. These are all a little too warm, so these can also go. Okay, so far I think I did a pretty good job of cutting down this top rack. Like this is how many clothes I was able to get out. Now I'm gonna continue onto the bottom drawers and take everything out, and then I'm gonna go through these clothes and see if there's anything I need to get rid of, sell, or donate. All right, so the top drawer is my pants and bottoms. I'm just gonna take everything out and evaluate. So I guess I'll put back the pieces that I think I definitely will still be wearing this springtime. See, I'm keeping a lot of jeans, but I know that I'm definitely not going to use them once it hits like peak summer. Ooh, yeah, the skinny jeans gotta go. We out here following 2021 trends, y'all. Light pants like this for the summer, chef's kiss. Why do I have a pair of jeggings? I did not even realize I still had this in my closet. This is my mom's like 90s skirt that I took from her. So we'll be keeping that too. So I only managed to get rid of 3 pair of pants. I thought I could do better than that, but not even gonna worry about the pajama drawer, so let's just move into this mess. It's like a weird combination of my workout clothes and t-shirts and stuff. I'm very ready to have it organized. Let's see what I should keep. Sports bras, a must. I'm surprised that I already had a couple of like t-shirts and tank tops. Like I never touched these in the winter time. Probably explains why that drawer was so stuffed. So yeah, the bed is looking like a mess right now. Cinnamon is just struggling in the corner over there. Okay, but now the difficult part is that I have to get out my suitcase, which is underneath this bed, and I stored away all my summer clothes in there, so now I'm gonna swap that out and store away all my winter clothes. Already this looks so summery, like I almost forgot that I had bathing suits. And like this sun hat, oh my god. This looks like I'm going on a holiday. So I completely cleared one half of this suitcase so I could start putting all the winter clothes into here so I could just kind of get rid of some of the mess and not feel as overwhelmed. And once I put all my winter stuff in there, I will start going through all my summer clothes and select which ones I want to keep and put in my closet and which things I think I should get rid of. So we finally got my winter stuff in this half of the suitcase, and in the process I did find a few pieces of clothing that I think I will not be wearing next winter and fall, so I'm going to donate. Some of these I'm straight up gonna get rid of, like these sports bras. They look like a dog have been chewing on the straps. I do not have a dog. Yikes, this is looking crazy, but this half is my summer clothes that I think I'm gonna just bring out onto the bed and evaluate all the things I want to keep. Success. It's actually kind of exciting getting out all the spring and summer clothes because it's kind of like getting a brand new wardrobe that you forgot you even owned. So here I'm sifting through every single piece, and whatever I want to keep I just throw in my laundry hamper because obviously these clothes need to be washed before they go into my closet. And whenever I come across a piece that I don't think I really wear anymore, I don't really want, I just throw in this no pile and continue on from there. Almost completely forgot that I actually put some clothes up here that I stored away because I knew that I definitely wasn't going to wear them anymore. So I compiled a full laundry basket of clothes that I will be keeping. So I'll wash these and hang them up today, so hopefully by tomorrow I can finally complete the organization of my wardrobe. Okay, I am so happy with the progress that I made in day one. So down here I put away all these clothes. So I filled up this half of the suitcase with all my fall and winter clothes that I will store away until the next season comes. And then all these clothes on this other half are clothes that I'm going to try to sell and donate. And then over here I have all my light colored summer clothes that I will wash afterwards. So yeah, I think I'll start organizing the bottom drawer and get a head start. And once everything is clean and dried, I think I'll finally finish up my closet. So unfortunately, the next couple of days, it actually started raining pretty heavily, which really slowed down the process of drying my laundry. But fortunately, the sun did come out and I managed to clean all of my spring and summer clothes, so they are finally ready to be put into my closet and I could finally organize it once and for all. So I separated my clothes into two different piles. I had my hanging clothes and my folding clothes. So I thought I'd go ahead and tackle my hanging clothes first. So I hung up my summer skirts, my sundresses, and my crop tops, and then I put away my shirts that desperately need to be ironed and just kind of zhuzhed it up the way I like, and I finally finished putting away all my hanging clothes. So last, I just had to tackle all of my folding clothes. So with the little space I had left, I put away my tank tops and my tube tops and basically just forced in the rest of my short sleeve shirts. But because I tried out this new kind of like Marie Kondo folding technique, I actually fit all of my t-shirts and workout clothes in this one drawer.
And the moment we've been waiting for, my closet is finally complete. I did not expect this to take literal days, but you know what? I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really good, and I was able to get rid of a lot of clothes that I no longer wear anymore in the process. And as I'm editing, I realized that I forgot to film an outro, so I guess I'll say goodbye here. But thank you guys always for the constant support, and for those of you that like and leave comments, I read all of them, and just thank you so much for all the love. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, bye bye!